Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix an Instagram error login problem. So the answer is easy. So just go to the settings as you see, then scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search on Instagram. Now go to the storage and here we find this quick cache, click on it and see if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data you will lose all your Instagram's data files and databases and account settings, etc. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.